Welcome back! Thanks for letting me join you on your path of becoming a master of simplicity. In a previous video, I told you how to simplify letter expressions. We've dealt with adding and subtracting and even multiplying. In this video, I will teach you how to combine these rules with some of the other rules we've been using throughout this year. So let's start the final paragraph of this chapter, simply called Simplifying. The rules we're going to be combining today are the basics of algebra, which we've used last time, the plus-minus list of Mafalda, and the order of operations. We start with a memory exercise about the basic rules. 8a plus 5a is equal to 13a. 3x minus x is equal to 2x, and 9b plus 3c is equal to 9b plus 3c, as the letters are different and we can simplify this expression. The same goes for 18k plus 3. This one is also NA, as the letters are different. 4 times 6x is equal to 24x. 3c times 2a is equal to 6ac. As multiplying is always allowed and the alphabet is important. And 8q times 2q is equal to 16q squared. If you still have some trouble remembering these rules, make sure to re-watch the video of paragraph 6.4. Now let's discuss the plus-minus list of our favorite which. This is the list we've taught you in chapter 2. Plus plus is plus, plus minus is minus, minus plus is minus, and minus minus is plus. And we've used this in exercises such as this one. 5 plus minus 3, where the plus minus became a single minus, and we solved 5 minus 3. And then there were exercises like minus 7 minus minus 9 plus minus 2. Here we first changed every double sign into a single sign, and then we solved minus 7 plus 9 minus 2, which is equal to 0. But we also know that this only works when the signs are directly next to each other. So minus 3 plus 8 becomes 5, and not minus 5 because of minus plus. In chapter 3, we've also used this list when multiplying numbers. So a negative number times another negative number results in a positive outcome. If you need a little memory refreshment, check out this video in which Mafalda and I discuss the origin of the list. Our final trip down memory lane is the law of operations. Brackets first, squares and roots, multiplications and divisions, and lastly additions and subtractions. If you want to practice the order again from the start, then I would recommend watching one of these videos. Now let's combine these rules into today's lesson. First, combining algebra with the plus-minus list. Let's start with this exercise. 7ab plus minus 4ab. I see a double sign, so I swap that for a single minus sign. 7ab minus 4ab can be simplified as the letters are the same. So the answer is 3ab. Then minus 15x minus minus 3x. Again, I see a double sign, so I change it into a single sign. And minus 15x plus 3x can be simplified into minus 12x. On to the last one. 3x minus minus 5y plus minus 7x minus 12y. What? You expected something easier? It is. Just watch. First we change any double signs. We end up with 3x plus 5y minus 7x minus 12y. This line can be simplified as I see multiple terms of x and y. So 3x minus 7x is equal to minus 4x. And 5y minus 12y is equal to minus 7y, which means our final answer is minus 4x minus 7y. There's one thing you should be careful of in these kind of exercises. In the line 4a minus 5b plus 2a, the minus symbol belongs to the 5b. So do not do 4a minus 2a or something. If we simplify this, we get 6a minus 5b. Then we add a little bit of our order into the mix. So we end up with exercises like minus 3a times 5 plus 2a times minus 4. In this exercise there are two multiplications, this one and this one. First we solve minus 3a times 5, which will grant me minus 15a. Then we solve 2a times minus 4, which is minus 8a. In the current situations, I don't like the plus minus, so I change that into a single minus. And the line minus 15a minus 8a can be simplified into minus 23a. Next one, 7x times 2y minus 4y times 3x. Pretty similar as the previous exercise, so we again start with the multiplications. 7x times 2y and 4y times 3x. This will give me the line 14xy minus 12xy, which is equal to 2xy. Final exercise. 5x times 6x minus 7x plus 3x times 2x minus x. You know what? Let's add a plus 4 to the mix. Order of operation, so multiplying before anything else. 5x times 6x will become 30x squared. And 3x times 2x turns into 6x squared. Which means we now have the line 30x squared minus 7x plus 6x squared minus x plus 4. Although the 30x squared and the minus 7x have an x in common, they are not like terms, which means we cannot add the two together. But we can simplify 30x squared and the 6x squared into 36x squared. And we can even simplify minus 7x and the minus x into minus 8x, which means that our final answer is 36x squared minus 8x plus 4. These were all the rules you should learn for this chapter. In chapter 8 I will add a few more rules to our list, but these are the most important ones. And with this video drawing to its end, we've finished chapter 6. I told you how to use squares and roots, how to draw a graph from a quadratic formula, and you've reached a new level in the art of simplifying. Honor those skills and I will see you in the next chapter. Bye bye!